In front of me is HUAWEI Nova 10 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can manage vibration settings on this HUAWEI. Begin with accessing settings and scrolling down just a bit. Now click on sounds and vibration. Over here you can click on vibration under sound mode to disable sound completely and leave only vibrations. When you're ready, scroll down and tap on phone ringtone. Now you can click on SIM 1 or SIM 2 and tap on vibration option. Over here, select the best vibration pattern for your incoming calls or select the default version over here. And when you're ready, click on the back button. Now you can do exactly the same for your messages by choosing messaging tone, tapping on vibration and clicking on one of those patterns. But over here you can also disable vibration option completely by clicking on none. Then go back, click on notification tone, do exactly the same. And finally, when you're ready, scroll all the way down and tap on more settings. Over here, you can click on this switcher next to vibrate when ringing to disable or enable vibrations for your incoming calls, and also manage system haptics by clicking on this switcher next to them. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!